making chocolate chip cookies and observing the chemistry behind them. So first we're going to pour flour, baking soda, and salt into this container. And then we're going to pour brown sugar, vanilla, and butter into this container, and we're going to beat it. Once you're done beating that, then you add the egg to it and beat that into it. And then once you're finished beating that, then you add your dry ingredients into the bowl and beat that. So mix those around. Add those into the bowl and start beating those. Once you finish beating all the ingredients together, add your chocolate chips and stir them around with the dough. Then you put the cookies onto the sheet and put them in the oven, but notice that the cookies are ball shaped because that will change when you bake them.
As our cookies are in the oven, we are going to describe the chemistry that takes place as our cookies bake. As soon as Connor slid the pan into the oven, a series of chemical reactions began to transform our dough into cookies. When the dough reaches 92 degrees Fahrenheit, the butter inside melts, flattening the dough.
Butter contains both water and fat, so as it melts, the trapped water is released and it turns into steam as the cookies are getting hotter.
When the dough reaches 144 degrees Fahrenheit, proteins begin to change, mostly from the eggs. The coiled up proteins in the eggs unfold and link with one another, causing the eggs to become solid, which gives substance to the dough. At 212 degrees, the water boils away, drying out the cookie. The steam that was built up inside then evaporates, making the cookie flaky.
The baking soda, or also known as sodium bicarbonate, reacts with acids in the dough to create carbon dioxide gas, making airy pockets in the cookie.
At 310 degrees, the Maillard reactions take place. This occurs when the proteins and sugars break down and rearrange themselves, forming ring structures that reflect the rich brown color. The last reaction that takes place in the cookie is caramelization. This happens when the sugar molecules break down under high heat, as demonstrated. This concludes our chemistry of baking cookies. Now we're going to enjoy.